Hello, everybody. We decided to screen in our patio, and these are just some of the before pictures that I took as we was working on it. This is a side view of it, and then we just took a picture at the front of the patio. And then we went on and took out the old siding of it, but we left the old frame at the bottom of it. And these are some pictures that I took of the framing all around it. And now next, we're going to be placing the screening on the patio. And now we have started to put the siding. I decided to use some siding at the bottom, so we're going to place it all around the patio. I think it looks pretty good. Now these are some pictures that we have started putting the siding on the bottom, and we put it all around the bottom of the patio because I wanted to keep that there. And this is a door we had to order because we could not just go down and buy a door. They had to order it. And so it took about a week to get it in. But it did come with a frame, and that was good. And I'm just showing you just some pictures of the bottom half of the patio that has been enclosed. I think it looks real good. I'm just super excited about all of it. So next what we're going to do, we're going to put some plywood up. And they cut this for us at Home Depot to the size that we wanted to be cut. And so my husband went on and put that up. And I also decided to go ahead and use that. Here he's taking a break here. But I decided to go ahead and put the same siding that I had outside. I decided to go ahead and put it on the inside. Here my husband, he placing the last part of the siding on. He did such a great job. Now I'm showing there where I have painted the upper part where the plywood is at. I went on and put the same color that I painted the door. And there here is where it's a hole there where the last owners had this house, and they decided to use that for their ashes when they did their fireplace. Then when they burnt their wood, they had it going from the inside to the outside of the house. So I went on and I said, that's got to be fixed. So we went ahead and put some cement down there to close it in. And this right here gonna take about a week to dry. So after it get through drying, I'm gonna go ahead and clean all that up and probably sand it down a little bit and clean the wall and all of that. And I think it's gonna look real good after that. So this is the final product that we did on the inside. I think it looks real good besides the floor. Just don't look at the floor. But we're gonna redo it. And this was a real big project, y'all. This was really big, but it was rewarding. And y'all watch out for my part 2, where I'm going to be painting my floor. And then I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a part 3 where I'm going to decorate my patio. I'm getting in some new furnish to put out there, so that's gonna be a whole lot of fun too. So y'all just stay tuned for that. And I just appreciate y'all for just watching this video. And y'all be safe out there and be blessed. Just continue wearing your mask and doing what you're supposed to do, and we're gonna come up out of all of this. And may God bless y'all, and may God keep y'all. Y'all be safe.